Hello everyone, Jai Hind, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I am going to share Cisco interview experience. Like basically, it's an on-campus interview experience for software engineer and data engineer role. So I am going to share about the whole selection processes, CTC, and also I'll give you the like tips and tricks to crack this interview. So first of all, subscribe to this channel. Here I bring the job updates, like daily job updates on this channel. Also, I bring preparation and interview related videos on this channel. So do subscribe it, and if you like the video, do like it. And if you have any query, then do like ask your query in the comment section. Thank you. So let's start. So it's an on-campus interview experience by a candidate for the software engineer and data engineer role. So basically, there are total 4 rounds in the selection process, and like first of all, let me talk about the CTC. So for the software engineer role in the on-campus, Cisco provides like a CTC of 12 to 15 LPA, and for data engineer, it's around 15 to 18 LPA. However, it varies like campus to campus. Suppose if you are in LPU, Lovely Professional University, then it might be high. But if you are in like Tier 3 college or Tier 4 college, okay, then it can be low to 12 LPA also. So while moving to the round one, the round one will be your online test, which is around which takes around 1 hour time. So the first round comprises of 25 MCQ questions, includes which includes like aptitude, logical, C, C++, and some OS questions with some technical portions also. Basically, they'll check your technical knowledge in the first round, which is the test round. Okay. The second point is that they ask quantitative aptitude and logical part were much more predominant, and the questions were like more initiative and non-typical. Okay, so basically you need some pen and formula based questions, uh, which are basically the aptitude questions. They were not very difficult, but you need some formulas to solve these questions. The third point is that the technical aptitude part, which covered all the portions which you have studied in your B.Tech, like computer networks, operating system, data structure, DBMS, C++, etc. So there's one suggestion for the technical round, that uh, you should do practice sets from the site like IndiaBix. Like in that site IndiaBix, you will get a lot of questions, a lot of technical questions, a lot of quantitative aptitude questions. Okay, and you can practice from that site so that you can be more confident to solve these problems in the round one. And when you clear the round one, then you'll have round two, which is an interview round. Like basically it's a technical interview round, and the duration of the interview will be around 15 to 20 minutes for each candidate. Okay, so while going on the interview, you must have a good knowledge of DSA, data structures, and operating systems, and like either one programming language like Python, C++. So let's start. So first point is that your the interview round will consist of 45 minutes, in which they'll talk about your introduction, your projects, and your subjects, like you have studied in your B.Tech in the past 4 years. Okay, and this round started with questions on the projects, like whatever projects you have done till now, either one, two, or three, about your achievements, like you have represented your college or you have done some project and got award, like some inter university or inter college awards like that. And also they want an experience, like experience of any internship or experience of working with any small companies or working with some seniors. Like you can share your achievements and appreciations or featured things in the technical interview. And the third point is they'll ask a few coding questions also, like as you know that for the software engineer role and for the data engineer role, they are giving you 12 to 20 lpa. So obviously they'll ask some coding questions in your technical interviews related to your projects and related to the scenarios, like whatever the questions you got on the test, like online test. Okay. And the fourth point is they have asked code factorial using recursion and implementation of linked list. Like this is the thing that the candidate has got in his interview round. And few standard questions on operating system, dbms, computer networks, since their friends were also asked on these topics. So the thing is that the whole summary is that you should have a good knowledge of data structure, operating system, computer networks, and DBMS, which you will study in your college. Okay. And apart from that, you should have a good knowledge about your projects that you have done in your colleges, and about your achievements that you have got in your degree period, like 4 years degree period. So the suggestion is that you need to practice questions on, like coding questions on GFG and code help by Love Bauer channel. You can get help from that also, which can give you a good confidence for the interview. Okay. The third one is like managerial round, and the duration of the third interview round is around 45 minutes. So this round has scenario based questions to test your managing skills and your team building skills, your leadership skills, and the ability to solve the team conflicts. So they ask about your future studies, they ask about your plans, or they ask about some scenarios like how you have worked on the project and how you have managed to like work or get this achievement, depending upon your projects and depending upon your achievements and all. So, in the second point, every single detail that was mentioned in the resume was discussed, whether it is your interest, whether it is your project, whether it is your choice of study, whether it is your skill. So, they'll ask some scenario based questions and uh, some uh, some important questions like your technical, from the technical perspective or from the skills based perspective, that how you will manage the team, how you will build like how do you have a leadership quality. And if you pass this round, like the managerial round, then you'll go to the fourth round, and fourth round is the HR round, like it's the final round. And in this round, HR asked you to like introduce yourself, and they'll share and discuss about the job roles, about the work locations, about the CTC. And if you have any queries regarding your role or regarding your what you say descriptions, then you can ask to HR and you can get solve your queries in the HR round. So the final trip from this whole interview experience is that you need to make sure every small detail about your projects, because you will be asked to explain all your projects in both round 2 and round 3, like in the technical round and in the managerial round. Also, don't fake anything in the resume, because you like they'll ask about you from your resume only. So don't fake anything in your resume, because you need to explain all your projects and all your achievements, all your skills in the technical round and in the managerial round. And if you fake that, then it's a no from their side. The third point is that keep something to eat with you, as the recruitment process started from 8:30 in the morning and went till 6:30 in the evening. So basically it's an on campus hiring, it's an on campus interview experience. That is why it all happened in the same day. But if you are going for an off campus, then it can take days to complete this interview. But for an on campus, you need to like keep something to eat, so that you can get like confident, as well as you don't feel hungry. The fourth point is make sure to give conscious and clear answers in the managerial round, because in the managerial round they basically want to know about your managing skills, about the ability to solve team conflicts. Okay, they'll ask about your plans, that how can you manage a particular situation, like related to the clients, related to a project or anything. And in the fifth point, just practice puzzles, like puzzles from India Bix or codes from GFG or Lead Code, etc. And fifth, the sixth and most important one is that be confident and keep a smile on your face, so that they can get that you are the only, or you are the best candidate for this role. You are the suitable candidate for this role, either this software engineering role or data engineer role. So best of luck for your interview. And most important, if you like this video, then do like it. If you have any query, then do comment down your query. And most important, subscribe to this channel for regular preparation, interviews, and job updates. Thank you all.